video for today ay making air fryer apple cake. Gumamit lang kung 50 gram flour, 50 gram sugar, 50 gram melted butter, 2 egg, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 2 apples. So i-cut mo lang yung dalawang apple guys into slices. Dip mo sa cinnamon and then ilagay mo sa ibabaw ng mixture mo. And sprinkle nuts kung may available kayo sa bahay, and air fryer mong 140 to 40 minutes guys. Ito na guys, natapos na pag air fryer sa apple cake guys. Napaka convenient, less time, at masarap talaga yung fresh na home baking at home guys. So this is my apple cake. So I bake 2 times guys kasi yung una kong binibake ay naubos. So tikman na natin yung gawa ko ng apple cake. Kailangan tayong madiskarte sa buhay lalo pag nasa abroad dahil hindi ka makabiling presko na apple cake guys. So this is my fresh air fryer apple cake na madiskarte lang yan guys at madali lang yan. This is for 4 person. And ito na guys, kinakat ko lang siya guys. Napakalambot at napaka-smooth talaga guys kasi masarap siya kainin. Lahat sila ay kinain sa isang araw lang ito dahil kinakain na namin. Pwede itong kumain kayo with 1 cup of coffee. So diskarte lang sa buhay para makakain lang tayong fresh ng apple cake. At gamitin ninyo yung air fryer sa bahay kung mayroon kayo guys. So this is my air fryer apple cake guys. Tikman na natin siya guys. Napakalambot at yummy. So this is for my video for today guys. So this is it guys, the resulta guys. Pwede ninyong dagdagan ng raisin or nuts. And thank you, paki-subscribe and paki-follow. Bye!